They won't admit it openly, but women have a secret weakness for men over 60. It's not about charm, health, or even money. It's about a hidden psychological force that younger men simply can't fake. Tragically, most older men waste it without realizing. But once you unlock it, resistance becomes impossible. And today, I'll expose exactly what that force is. The first piece of this hidden power is the aura of calm authority. Women can feel it instantly. Unlike younger men who get flustered, try to prove themselves, or need constant attention, a man over 60 can carry himself like he has nothing to prove. That quiet dominance settles a woman's nerves and pulls her in without a single word spoken. Then comes the second element, freedom from needing validation. Most men chase. They try too hard to be liked, to get approval, to impress. But when you stop seeking validation, you project a magnetic energy that flips the script. Suddenly, women feel they're the ones trying to earn your attention. And that shift is irresistible, because desire always flows toward the one who doesn't beg for it. Here's the third secret: the scarcity of real masculinity. Think about the world today. Masculine presence is disappearing. Men are confused, passive, and easily swayed. But when a man over 60 embodies grounded masculine energy, steady voice, strong posture, unshakable values, he stands out like fire in a dark room. Women notice instantly because deep down, they're starving for it. The fourth element is what I call mastery of presence. Women don't fall for words or tricks. They fall for how they feel in your presence. When you're fully there with her, not distracted, not rushing, but grounded in the moment, she feels something electric. It's rare because so few men know how to give a woman their undivided attention, but when you do, she's hooked. Now, let's talk about storytelling power. This is where age becomes your advantage. Every line on your face, every story from your past carries weight. Younger men try to impress with empty talk, but women lean in when an older man speaks with lived experience. Done right, storytelling doesn't make you sound old. It makes you sound mysterious, layered, and impossible to forget. And finally, there's emotional control. Women test men constantly, often without realizing it. They want to see if you can handle pressure, mood swings, or drama. Younger men usually crack, but when you remain calm, collected, and steady, it sends a message louder than words. You're the rock in her storm. That safety is intoxicating. And once she feels it, she doesn't want to let go. Put these 6 forces together, and you understand why women can't resist men over 60 who know how to use them. Calm authority, freedom from needing validation, scarcity of real masculinity, mastery of presence, storytelling power, emotional control. Most men waste these gifts. But the few who use them, they never have to chase again. Women feel the pull automatically. So the question is, are you going to keep wasting it, or will you finally step into the power you already have? Because once you embrace it, women stop seeing your age as a weakness and start seeing it as the very reason they can't resist you. If this message hit you, don't just keep it to yourself. Subscribe now for more insights into female psychology, dark attraction, and the secrets most men will never hear. And when the next video appears on your screen, click it, because the moment you understand this hidden force, you'll never look at women the same way again.